Lura and ELSA Speak both aim to improve your English speaking, but their approach is very different. Lura focuses on real conversations. You can talk about business, casual topics, or even practice interviews. It gives instant feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and phrasing. Users love its natural feel. App Store ratings are about 4.9 out of 5. The downside is that pricing isn't transparent and it lacks structured drills for phonetics or accent training. ELSA Speak, on the other hand, is all about precision. It uses AI to detect every sound you make, helping you fix tricky phonemes through guided exercises and gamified lessons. It's especially popular with learners preparing for the TOEFL or the IELTS. And review highlights its detailed progress tracking. However, users have been saying that the unexpected subscription charges after free trials, and that the app is limited to American English. So which one wins? Lura is best if you want realistic speaking practice that feels like chatting with a personal tutor. ELSA Speak is better if you focus on perfecting pronunciation and hitting exam targets. Both apps deliver value, but your choice depends on whether you want conversational flow or technical accuracy.